Hey quilting friends, it's your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber here, Carolina Moore, and I'm so excited to share today with you. I have been working on this for months with my new friend Katie from Trinkles. We are doing an advent calendar specifically for quilters. Now, Katie and Trinkles, they do a lot for knitters and crocheters. So if you are someone who does a lot with yarn, you may have heard of Trinkles before. If you're a quilter, you may not have because they haven't done a lot in the quilting world. But I was so excited to partner with them to make this advent calendar. They've been doing advent calendars for years for knit and crochet, and now we get to do one for quilters. So let me tell you how it works. It is a 12-day advent, and when you get it in the mail, you will get a beautiful felt box with a laser cut wooden button on the front. It's gorgeous, and 12 envelopes with surprises inside each day. And those surprises will be a template and a pattern. Starting December 1st, I'll put up a new video each day that shows you how to make that day's pattern using the templates. Now, I don't want to give you any spoilers if you don't want them, so if you want to join in with no spoilers and be completely surprised, then go down to the links below. You'll find a link to Trinkles where you can go ahead and order your advent. You want to order them quickly because we only made a limited quantity, and I want to make sure that if you really want to join in, that you get yours. And you can also order a fabric bundle from me so that you can make them exactly with me the way that I'm making them. There's two different options. There is a 2 fabric bundle or there is a fussy cut bundle, and they're the same price. So it's up to you if you want to order one bundle or if you want to order both. Now, if you are okay with a couple spoilers and you want some more information, then let's dive in and I'll show you a little bit of what you'll be getting in your packages. So you'll be getting a template each day, and these templates are designed so that you can just cut fabric with them, or they have your 1/4 inch markings so that you can fussy cut. Now, if you're someone who likes to hand sew, or you are really looking forward to slowing down in December and doing some slow stitching, there are drill holes in all the corners so that you can make marks for where you want to start and stop your stitching for slow stitching. If you want to hand sew or even English paper piece these, you can make the finished size on paper, and you could actually English paper piece these if you really wanted to go that far with it. Up to you with how slow you want to take your slow stitching. So these are designed that you can just use them as regular templates, but also so that you can fussy cut them. And I'm going to show you a couple examples of what some of the blocks look like. So again, stop now if you don't want any spoilers. So we have some simple blocks, like this is a 4-patch, and this is done with the 2 fabric bundle. But you can also have a lot of fun with fussy cutting a block like this. Pinwheel blocks and flying geese blocks. There are tips in the videos on how to take these blocks and these pieces and use them for more than just the advent, because the idea is that you can use these templates and these patterns all year long, not just during the advent. There's also a video that will be released on December 1st showing you how to take your finished advent blocks and turn them into ornaments. Or if you make all your pieces and you hang out till the 12th, you'll get a video on how to take all these blocks and turn them into a mini quilt. So these are all the different templates you're going to get. 12 different templates in this set, as well as 12 patterns, the felt box, the cute little button on the front of the box, the videos that show you how to put it all together, and your patterns for every single day, plus extra tips and tricks right here on YouTube. I really hope that you'll join in. The links are down below. You can sign up for just the advent calendar if you already have your own fabric and you're good to go, or you can also go ahead and order the fabric bundles from me if you like. I really hope that you'll join in. I'm so looking forward to this. These blocks really, they take 30 minutes or less to make each day, and it's such a fun way to add a little sewing and a little fun and a little advent to your holiday season. But make sure you order them now. We did only make a limited quantity, and I want to make sure that you get yours. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you're going to join in, and while you're hanging out there, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to let other people know that this advent sounds amazing and that they should join in too. And if you're not already a subscriber, you should subscribe to this channel. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so that you know every time I have another fun quilty video for you. Thanks so much for watching, my friends, and I will see you right here real soon. Bye for now.